So we were filming the other night when this happened.
I was like, all right, touch the plug, like, yeah, that's pretty hot, that's not right. So, like, all right.
You gotta be kidding me.
Wow.
Oh my God. Catastrophic delamination. Shit on a shingle.
That's lame.
You see this? Look at that.
The irony of it breaking.
Ikea, hey man, we love your stuff, man. This isn't characteristic of normal Ikea furniture. So do us a favor. Send us one of the ones with the web bottom. Honestly, I don't really like the ones with the little pad. Anyway, I've always wanted one of the ones with the web bottom. And dude, if you guys could see somehow fit to do that, that would be so awesome. We would love you even more. Poor Kenny could have been killed. His hands are delicate instruments. Just saying. Subscribe to Pangea Piercing, or I'm going to kick a puppy. And subscribe to Wear Home, or I'm going to punch a kitten.